Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to personalize notifications on iPhone 12. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing we do is we go to settings here. Then we scroll down a little bit, so we see notifications, which is right here. Then as you can see, the first thing, display. What this means? Count is when you have notifications. There will be a little. I will have some notifications. So you will. Oh, sorry, I have no disturbing mode. Oh, so it should. Oh, as you could see, you have these 4 notifications. This is count. Stack. What we'll do is he will stack it. It will look like this. So I can't, to be honest. It will be like this, yes. And you can scroll, but it will be one big thing. And the list is just a list of notifications. It will look like this. You will need to scroll all the way, all the time. Okay, next you can schedule something. This will give you notifications. You can block. You can allow notifications while screen sharing. For example, I will allow it, but show previous. You can show previous. Yes, it's always the previous is. I will show you what this is. It's this. This is previous. You see the icon, up icon, and the text. Okay, let's go. Siri Suggestions. You can allow Siri Suggestions to other apps like AliExpress, Android Switch, App Store, and more. Then we have notification store. For example, let's App Store. You can allow notifications or not. Time sensitive notifications are always delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. Okay, you have here alerts. You can choose the style you want it to look like. Banner style, how is it, persistent or temporary, sounds, badges, and that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.